So one of my members emailed me and said, I'm really dizzy and I'm just not feeling well. What's happening? I'm getting really concerned. Here's the thing. There are so many, and she's in stage 2 out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. There are so many stress-related symptoms, illnesses, conditions, even disease that can show up after betrayal. And I want you to be so sure that you're not pushing yourself, because one of the things that very often happens is your adrenals crash. Like in the post-betrayal syndrome quiz that we have on our site to see to what extent people are struggling. We've had, 95,000 plus people take it. Some of the most common physical symptoms, 71% have low energy, 68% have sleep issues, 63% have extreme fatigue. So you can sleep all night, wake up, you're exhausted, you're not sleeping deeply, you're not sleeping soundly, you're not getting that restorative sleep that helps you heal. 45% have digestive issues, and that could be anything from Crohn's, IBS, diverticulitis. So now imagine you don't have the energy reserves because you're just absolutely exhausted. So if you don't have the energy reserves and you're thinking, oh, let me just do my same workout that I was doing, and you're wondering, why isn't that working? Or you're wondering why you have brain fog. Think about it. Your energy is so depleted, and now you're trying to spend all these additional energy reserves that you don't have. And then you're trying to even think, which takes additional energy reserves that you don't have. And then you get so down on yourself when these symptoms are symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome. It is so common. So when you take the time to move out of stage 2 into stage 3, and stage 3, you're going to still have those symptoms, but specifically like starting as you leave stage 3, move into stage 4, those symptoms go away and you regain your strength, you regain your energy. So you need to take this time to heal the body and heal the mind and get the nervous system regulated again. So to be so down on yourself that you can't get your regular workout in, well, of course you can't. Imagine like a jug that has holes in it. You're pouring water in it and like saying, well, why isn't the water staying? Now is the time to plug up some of those holes, not to just keep pouring more water in. So it is so normal and so natural to be completely and totally exhausted, especially in stage 2 out of the 5 stages. Now's the time. Plug up some of those holes, get your nervous system regulated, do some stress relieving techniques that can really calm you down. Even if you think you're calm on the outside, inside your body is freaking out, and get yourself to the next stage where you'll have a little bit more energy and more and more and more. So very common to not feel, at your best right now, of course, but put the energy into getting your healing dialed in so that you have the reserves you need to move through the rest of the stages. I hope that helps. Follow for more.